Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail filters and labels. This is a powerful way to automatically organize your emails so important messages are sorted and easy to find without you having to do it manually every time. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Gmail and click the first official link to open Gmail at mail.google.com. Once you're on the Gmail page, you'll need to access your settings to start creating labels and filters. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. When you click it, a menu will appear. From that menu, select See All Settings. This opens up the full configuration panel where you can customize how your Gmail account behaves. Once you're in the settings, click the Labels tab at the top of the page. This is where you'll manage all your labels, which work like folders to categorize your emails. Scroll down until you see the option that says Create New Label on the left side under the Labels section and click it. A small box will pop up asking you to name your label. Enter a name that reflects the type of emails you want to organize, such as work, receipts, or client emails, then click Create. Your new label is now ready to use. Now return to your main Gmail inbox by clicking Inbox on the left sidebar. This takes you back to your email list. At the top of the page, you'll see the Gmail search bar. On the right side of this search bar, click the Show Search Options icon. This opens a filtering panel where you can set rules for which emails should get your new label. In this panel, enter the criteria you want to filter by. For example, if you want all emails from a specific person to get this label, type their email address in the From field. You can also add other criteria like subject keywords or date ranges to make your filter more specific. Once you've entered your criteria, click Create Filter at the bottom of the search window. A new set of options will appear. Here, tick the box next to Apply the label and choose your newly created label from the drop-down menu. This tells Gmail to automatically tag any matching emails with this label. Finally, click Create Filter to activate it. From now on, any email that matches your criteria will automatically be labeled and organized, saving you time and keeping your inbox clean. Thanks for watching.